Today we are going to learn class 9 mathematics. The outlines I will teach, okay, and be patient. I will teach all the topics. As you know, the exams are coming, so some students need some guidance or guidelines, whatever you can say. We will start with chapter 1, exercise 1 of class 9. Hello viewers, let's start. The question is, express the following rational numbers in decimal form. Okay, express the following rational number in express form. Few examples we can choose. Hi Salvatore, Giovanna, and some other said hi, how are you? Keep watching. 242 by 1000. Okay, this is the question. Now we have to understand is it what express the following rational number in rational decimal form. Okay, this is the rational p by q form. We have to convert into the decimal form. Simple way I will say, whenever you have the denominator one with some zeros, like 1 2, count how many zeros are there. 1 2 3. First write this number 242, 242. From right to the left side, count how many zeros are there. 1 2 3. Put the decimal here. 0. This is your answer. 1 2 3. Okay, this is your answer, right? Next question. $354 by 500. 354 by 500. This you can say, write 354 by 5 multiply 100. Okay. Now how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So 354, right? First 354. Now from here count to 1, 2. Put the decimal here. So it become now 3.54 by 5. Now you can cancel 5 times 1. 3 is smaller than 5, so write 0. Then 35 means 7s are 35. 4 is smaller, so 0. Right here 0. 40, it become 40. So 8. So 0.708 in this way. If directly you have 1 with some zeros, you can calculate like this. If you don't have 1 with 0, factor it. 5 multiply 100. Okay, 5 multiply 100. Hope you understand. Keep on commenting, keep on telling. Thank you, Maributaru. Thank you, thank you. Hello, how are you, Romania? Next question. 2 by 5. Now in this way, even though you can do in the question 2 and question 3 also, whenever the denominator is not in terms of 1 with some zeros, you can make it in that way. Like I have 5. Now what I will multiply to this so that it can become 10 or 100 or 1000 and so on. The least one, which one you can make it. If I multiply 2 and 2, it will become 4 over 10. Now it's easy. How many zeros are there? 1 0. Count from here to here. 1, right. 0.4. Okay. Next question. This one you will understand if I explain you the next one. 115 by 4. What you will multiply so that you can make it 10 or 100. You can multiply 2.4, but it's difficult for here, so better multiply 25. Okay, so it will be it is 2875 multiply by over 100. So how many zeros are there? 2875 zeros from here. 1 2. So answer is 28.75. 28.75. No one should use calculator, please don't use calculator. Use your brain. Make your brain sharp to work it fast. Okay. No, Mari Butaro, I will give you a question, okay? Simple one. 2 over 3. 2 over 3. Which is the what will how you will do it? Don't tell me the answer. Explain it, Mari Butaro. Explain it. Mari Butaro, explain it. Yes, hi. Explain it. I'm waiting. How? Please, can you explain? I know it's 0.666, but how can you explain? Elaborate your answer, please. Mari Butaro, can you please explain? Any of the above method, can you apply it without using calculator? You can't make 10, 100 or 1000, okay? So simply how to divide. How you will divide it? How you will divide it? 2 divided by 3, okay? So 2 is smaller than 3, so 0.1, sorry 0 point, right here 0, so 3 times 6 is 18. You have to subtract this, you get 2, again smaller than 3, you have to write 0, so it will repeat, keep on. You get 6, you get 18, you get 2, so it will repeat, okay? So what is the answer will be? 0.6 bar. 0.6 bar, okay? Hope you understand. Hope you understand. Maributaro, she gave the right answer till now. Maributaro is participating very actively. Salvador Genova. The people who are watching, please mention your countries so that it's better to know from which country you are. Okay, this way we will do express the rational number in decimal forms. Okay, now express each of the following decimals to no, another one. Now express each of the following given decimals in P by Q form. Means you have to write in the rational where Q should not be 0 and P by Q are integers. Okay. So what the thing here? The question is like first one 0.36 0.36. This is decimal. Okay. You have to convert in the P by Q form. So just write without the decimal what the number you have 36. Okay. And after the decimal, how many digits are there? 1 and 2. So write 1. How many digits are there? 2. So write 2 zeros. We got a P by Q, but not in the simplest form. Okay. So simplify it, then you will get the answer. So you should know the multiples. So 36. I will go with simple like prime numbers. I will use 36 and 100 is divisible by 2. Okay. So 2 times 50, 2 times 18. And then 18 and 50 also divisible by 2. 2 times 25, 2 times 9. So 9 and 25 are not a common multiple or not a common factor of any number. So this is the simplest form of P by Q. So the answer is 9 by 25. Okay, so 9 by 25. Let's see the next question. 15.4. Now you have to listen and see. Maributaro, where are you? Now 15.4. Now what I said here, you have to count from decimal towards the right side how many digits are there. Here you have 1, 2. Same thing here also. We have only one. Without decimal, write the number 154. In the denominator, write 1 with 1 0. Why 1 0? Because after the decimal, we have only one digit. After the decimal, we have 2 digits. So now simplify it. Simplify this. 10 and 154 are divisible by 2. So 2 times 5, 2 times 7, 1 left, again 7, 77, right? 77 by 5. 77 is a multiple of 7 and 11. 5 is multiple of 5. So there is no factor. So the answer is 77 by 5. The question says to find in the P by Q form. If we say write in the mixed fraction also, we can write it. How? Divide it first 77 by 5. 7 times 1, 5. Minus 5 will be 2, 7. 5 times 5 is 25. Subtracting 2. So how will you write? This is the denominator. Write the denominator first. Then the remainder first. Then the denominator. What you got in the quotient right here. So 15 times 5 or 5 times 15 is 75 plus 2 is 77. And this way we can write the mixed fraction. Next question. What happened, viewers? Where you went? 15.4 we finished. Now 10.25. Now I will give you some time, just 30 seconds. Maributaru, it's not, sorry, I mistaken to write, it's 15.4. 15.4, not 15 multiply 4. Sorry, it's not your mistake. Next, it's also 10.25. Next question, it's also 10.25. So write the number without decimal 1025 in the denominator. After the decimal there are 2 digits, so 1 with 2 zeros. Now we got in the P by Q form. Simplify it. Simplify करें इसे. अभी 2 से भी कर सकते हैं आप, 25 से भी कर सकते हैं, आपकी मर्जी. बेटर 5 का टेबल आता है आपको, 5 से कर दें. 2 से नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज ये 5 है, यहाँ पे 2 से नहीं कर सकते, सॉरी. सो डिवाइडेड विथ 5. 5 times 20 is 100. 5 times 2, 0, 5, 205. Now again 5 times 4, 5 times 41. 5 times 41. Am I correct? Sorry. Exactly, I am correct. So it is 41 by 4. If you want to make it in the mixed fraction, you can make it. Okay. Next. Next question. This is the last question of this type. Okay. 3.25. Now 3.25. Again write without decimal. बिना decimal के लिख दें और डिनोमिनेटर में काउंट करें decimal के बाद कितने डिजिट्स हैं और लिख दें यहाँ पर 1 with 00. Now simplify it. Simplify it with 5. 5 times 20. 5 times 6. 5 times 5, again 5 times 4, 5 times 13, so it is 13 by 4, 13 by 4, 13 by. Hello viewers, please comment, like and share. Hello viewers, please comment and share. Mari Pitaru, are you there? Next, we will see. Now, as we got one question before, like 0.6 bar, right? In the same way, we will take a question of bars, and then we will find how to convert it into decimal, sorry, fraction. So what's the question here? Express each of the following decimal numbers in P by Q form. Okay, express each of the following decimal numbers in P by Q form. And the questions what will be the question? The first one, 0.5 bar, 0.5 bar. Let's see, anyone know the answer, or should I intervene to explain it? Should I intervene to explain it? Let's start. Let's start in my way. I don't know how your teachers taught you or teach you. I will teach you in my way. I'm teaching the way how my teachers taught me. Okay. So first of all, we will write the question as x equal 0.5 bar. 0.5 bar. So first understand the concept, then I will tell you the shortcut, the trick, how you can find it, the answer directly by seeing this type of decimal values. Okay. Now, how the bar means this 5 is repeating again and again. इस लाइन को बोलते हैं बार, और इसका मतलब होता है कि ये जो नंबर है 5, ये रिपीट होता है इन्फिनिट मरतबा, इन्फिनिट टाइम्स, 0.555555555 like that. Okay, so अब कितने डिजिट रिपीट हो रहे हैं? एक ही डिजिट रिपीट हो रहा है ना. सो एक डिजिट जब रिपीट हो रहा है तो आप इसी इक्वेशन को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करें. 10 ही क्यों? क्योंकि एक ज़ीरो है, सो 1 with 1 0. अगर 2 डिजिट है तो 100 से, 3 डिजिट है तो 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करें, ऐसा. होप यू अंडरस्टैंड, राइट? नाउ व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई 10 with this to this number, you will get 5.5 bar, क्योंकि ये नंबर तो 0.5555555 है. When you multiply with 10, this decimal will move here, right? So you will get 5 point, again जो भी यहाँ पर है ये तो infinite टाइम जा रहा है, तो it's also 5.5 bar. So now from, if you take 1 and 2, we can say subtract 1 from the 2. और शायद मैं कुछ गलत बोल, लिख के बताता हूँ क्या करना है आपको. इस इक्वेशन को 10 से आप सब्सट्रैक्ट कर दें, 0.5 बार. ओके, सो 5 बार तो हो जाएगा 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 10 minus 1 is 9. X equals 5. Now divide both sides by 9. X is equals to 5 by 9. So 0.5 bar is 5 by 9. So now I will tell you the simple way. Whenever you get 0 and some bar, like 0 point, example 0.3 bar, answer is 3 by 9. 0.4 bar, answer is 4 by 9, like this, right? Now let's see a bar question, but some different type. Here we have 0, here we don't have 0, we have 3.8 bar. तो इसके लिए भी मैं आपको एक बता देता हूँ पहले. सेम वही प्रोसेस करें, पहले तो सेम वही प्रोसेस करें, कंफ्यूज ना हो जाए. x is equals to 3.8 bar. X equals to 3.8 bar. Now here, how many digits are there? 1. So multiply it by 10x, so it will be 38.8 bar. Again subtract this here. 8 bar cancel. 38 minus 3 is 35. 10 minus 1 is 9x. Divide by both sides 9. You will get x is equals to 35 by 9. x equals to 35/9. So here also I can say you 9 तो रहेगा क्योंकि यहाँ पर सिंगल डिजिट है तो डिनोमिनेटर में 9 आएगा। बट अब ऊपर का नंबर यहाँ तो सिंगल डिजिट है 5, तो 5 लिख दिया। बट यहाँ 38 है, बट यहाँ 35 आया। तो इससे का ट्रिक क्या होगा, 38 अब डेसिमल को हटा दें तो ये हो जाएगा 38। डेसिमल से पहले क्या है, लेफ्ट साइड पर 3 है। 38 को इस नंबर से माइनस कर दें, 38 माइनस 3 हो जाएगा 35। यही है इसका ट्रिक। और आप बहुत ही माहिर हैं सॉल्विंग करने में, तो आप एक तरीके से कर सकते हैं। 3 प्लस 8 0.8 बार, तो क्या होगा 3.8 बार होगा ना। 0.8 बार का आपको आंसर पता है 8/9, राइट। अब सॉल्व कर लें इसे। 3 मल्टीप्लाई 9 इज 27, 27 प्लस 8 इज 35। सिंपल, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, सिंपल इस वे में भी कर सकते हैं आप, ठीक है। तो अभी आपको मैंने 2 टाइप के क्वेश्चन बता दिए। सिंपल है, अच्छे हैं, सॉल्व करें, मज़े में रहे, समझ आए, प्रैक्टिस करें। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करें। कमेंट करें व्यूअर्स, सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल, hit the like button, share with your friends so that I can understand the people are liking the way of my teaching. Okay, रात के 11:30 बज रहे हैं इंडिया के, और 4 लोग यहाँ मौजूद हैं, अभी 5 हो चुके हैं। अभी नेक्स्ट हम लेंगे एक टॉपिक, टर्मिनेटिंग decimals. The question is something like p/q. Without actual dividing, find which of the following are terminating decimals. या बस मैं आपको बता दूं टर्मिनेटिंग क्या होता है। टर्मिनेटिंग नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग दोनों भी ये टर्म डेसिमल्स के ही हैं। टर्मिनेटिंग यानी एक एग्जांपल 0.2 टर्मिनेट, इसके आगे और कोई पॉइंट नहीं है, रुक गया है, ये होता है टर्मिनेट। 0.34 रुक गया है, ये होता है टर्मिनेट। कितने भी हो बट एक इंस्टेंट पे जाके रुक जाएगा, फाइनाइट होगा, इन्फिनिट नहीं होगा। जो इन्फिनिट पॉइंट्स होंगे वो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग होते हैं। रिपीटिंग नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, जैसे नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग क्या होगा, ज़ीरो पॉइंट 1 2 3 4 5 6 सो ऑन, कुछ ना कुछ आता रहेगा। ये क्या है, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग। अब इसी में से रिपीटिंग एंड नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग होता है। रिपीटिंग एंड नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, रिपीटिंग का मान एक ही नंबर रिपीट हो रहा है। दिस इज को हम लिखते हैं 0.2 बार, ऐसे 0.3 बार। रिपीटिंग का मतलब ये नहीं कि एक ही नंबर रिपीट हो, इसका मतलब ये भी हो सकता है 1 2 बार, 0.13 1 2 1 और 1 2 3 ये भी रिपीटिंग नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. ठीक है. और कोई टॉपिक्स पे आपको डाउट है डेसिमल एंड फ्रैक्शंस में तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करें. आई विल ट्राई माई लेवल बेस्ट टू एक्सप्लेन यू. अरे भाई इजी है तो सो जाना, जाकर सो जा. तुमने देखा करो ना, क्लास 9 का है मैथ्स, और जैसे पढ़े लिखों के लिए नहीं है. If you have any kind of more doubts in any chapter or any topic, please comment the topic name. So I will try my level best to explain you. देख रहा हूँ नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में कौन से टॉपिक्स हैं. अभी नेक्स्ट है रेशनल एंड इरेशनल पर सेकेंड एक्सरसाइज करेंगे हम अभी. सो क्वेश्चन है कि क्लासीफाई following numbers as rational or irrational. Okay, classifying the question 1, square root of 27. रेशनल एंड इरेशनल में स्क्वायर रूट कभी कुछ एक पॉइंट होता है, मैं बता दूंगा, ठीक है। जब तक आप सॉल्व करें, ट्राई करें, देखते हैं कि नहीं कितने लोगों को आता है कि नहीं आता है। जस्ट 15 सेकंड, 15 सेकंड। Your time's finished now. Whenever you are finding the square root, write the radicand in terms of powers. Okay, so it is 3 square multiply with 3. So 3 square will come out, so it will be 3 root 3. But this root 3 is not rational. Root 3 is irrational. That's why this also irrational. Why irrational? What is irrational? You can go back to my video in this only just 5 minutes back. I taught. You can go back and check what is irrational and what is rational. Next question. Question number 2. Square root of 441. Let's try. Who will solve this? Is it rational or irrational? Whenever you are solving the root values, you should know the squares or the perfect square values, like 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, similarly 10 square, 11 square, 12 square, 13 square. Similarly, for which value the square or the square root of this will be what will get. So it is what? Square root of 21 square is 441. The square and root get cancelled. Answer is 21. So there is no root. So this is rational. This is what? Rational. This is a natural number. This is whole number. This is a rational. Question 3. 30.23234235 and so on. Whenever you get a decimal value and you are in a confusion of determining or classifying it's rational or irrational, most of the students they confuse that this is non-terminating, it is irrational. For this question, yes, it is irrational. Okay, but not always the non-terminating numbers are irrational. If the decimal part is repeating and non-terminating, that also called rational. But if it is not repeating, non-terminating, it is irrational. So this is what 2323 only repeated, then it's not repeated. Okay, it's not repeated, but it's non-terminating, so it is irrational. Clear? Next question number 4. Question number 4. Now 7.484848 and so on. See the difference between this question and this question. Here the decimals are not repeating. Here the decimal part is repeating. Okay. So when the decimal part is repeating, it's rational. No need to think about it. It's rational. If it's not repeating, both are non-terminating, but which is repeating, this one is repeating, rational. It's not repeating, irrational. That's it. Simple. Question number 5. I will give you 2 questions one by one. Whoever comment, then I will go for the next. 11.2132 435 What is the answer? Is it rational or irrational? Is it rational or irrational? Comment please. Comment fast. Comment please, comment. No one. Why? Is it rational or irrational? Time is precious. Comment your answer fast. Okay. What I said, it's repeating or not repeating. It's non-repeating, but it's non-terminating. It's non-terminating or terminating. It's terminating. It's terminated. It stops here. It's not infinite. It's finite decimal. It's not repeating, but it's finite. It's terminated here. Whenever it terminated, decimals are there. It is rational. Okay. Sorry. Rational. The spelling mistake. Rational. Okay. Next question. I hope next now you got clear. 0.30 300 3000 3 and so on. This is rational or irrational. Think, take all the questions and your set it as an example and tell, explain. Is it rational or irrational? Rational or irrational? Hello viewers, if you like the way of teaching, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share the link with your family and friends. Now next question. Now see, just you have to think it's repeating or not repeating. It is non-terminating, right? To become an rational, first of all you have to see it's terminating or not, non-terminating. It is non-terminating. Okay. If it's not terminating, then see is it repeating or not. It's not repeating also. It's non-terminating, non-repeating. It is non-terminating, non-terminating, non-repeating. So it is irrational. Okay. Now before I end, I will give you one question so that you can have message, comment that give 4 examples for rational and irrational numbers. By seeing the above questions, I can find what is rational, what is irrational. Okay. Comment it, follow the channel, like and share with your friends. Share with your friends and family. Comment your answer. Hope you understand the live session. Participate every day. Subscribe to the channel so that you can participate every day for lovely live sessions like this. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.